What? Something just ripped apart, huh?
It's so...
How are you feeling right now?
Not too good. It's cold.
Yeah,
my truck's stuck.
You're also still in reverse, so we're glad it's not going anywhere. Whenever he's ready, I guess. You ready? Yep. Okay, he's ready.
It's going right for that pole.
Oh yeah.
Giving her the onion. Oh, just solid ice.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Whooper.
Turn. Kind of point uphill. I don't know.
Yeah,
Somehow.
I mean, I've been pointing uphill, but it's not been working.
Well, I mean, like, actually, we just need to get it away from that pole. That's the only thing that worries me.
Oh, God. Hello, Valdez. We're not stuck. So you remember that yellow strap I used to have? It's in between two buildings. Well, that's not great.
Actually, go forward a little bit.
Go forward?
Yeah, go forward a little bit. Watch the pole.
Watch the quit pulling if he's gonna hit the ball.
We'll stop if he's gonna hit it.
Okay.
Nice.
You got about a foot of slack.
A foot of slack?
Yeah. How are you feeling? Do you think this is gonna?
I think we're gonna hit a pole.
All right, let's see. Oh! Can't wait till I hit this.
It's getting worse. He's like a foot from that pole. There's no way I'm gonna go up there, huh?
Oh no. You'll slide too.
We're only like a foot and a half away from that pole.
I was gonna say, this is kind of what's stopping us now.
Know how to use one of those before you get hit.
Sup, bitches? Yeah, I'm in a little predicament here. Freaking cold.
We make a loop out of that, and it comes back to here, to where I'm pulling on this to pull you out that way. Because we're just pulling from the center and it's pulling you back in. We put a loop in this, hook that yellow rope up to there, and pull your ass end out that way. You might be able to just go.
Oh no, Cody's using his fucking brain right now.
Figure out a point to put that.
That's not always good. How's that? Were you trying to
pull on that very hard? But fuck it.
Or Harbor Freight or whatever.
Hooks are,
Huh?
they're for pulling Barbie Jeeps out of the sand.
Exactly. What I usually do is just wrap it around the ball like we were doing. Oh yeah, I've used it once.
I think this is a terrible
I
idea.
used it on the 2015
I can't feel my fingers either. They're done.
I'm just trying not to get slapped in the dick with that thing, dude. If you guys are wondering why I'm not doing anything, because I'm sick of this shit. And I'm cold.
Okay.
You might want to do the same.
Can't see shit.
And have traffic in the middle.
Yeah, so I can get hit.
Holy.
Sideways. Yeah, we're not moving. I'm going to get slapped in the face with that thing.
First, Willa.
I slice baby.
Think we're splicing anything else today?
I don't think we're going to be splicing anything because we're stuck.
I got him a shot glass from Hawaii. He even brought it inside yet.
Want to sit around the campfire with me?
Please.
Oh my god. Isn't it so warm?
So what?
There's a difference between being stuck at work and being stuck at work.
This is true. Oh my god, I've got the drip going on.
Thank you, brother. Shit, I'm back. All right, baby.
Am I supposed to be backing up? No, I'm not moving. Hey, I made more headway in 5 minutes than he did in the last hour. Holy.
Oh god.
What? Something just ripped apart, huh?
It's so.
Hey,
We're moving.
we're gaining ground.
I'm not gonna lie, I hit the brakes because he went, oh, and looked between the bed and the truck. Did the bed just get torn off?
No, it does sound super rough though.
Yeah. It's, I think it's mostly your cooler that sounds rough.
Oh, is it?
You're cooler.
McCue.
Notch people. McCooler.
What's beeping in there?
It's like just reverse.
It's because there's a fat person behind it.
When you get
God, that's the other problem. We can't we can't see out the back neither.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, we're moving.
We're gaining ground.
Yeah, we
I know we are.
Oh.
I mean, we've made it like 5 minutes.
Yeah, realistically, we started there.
well, the bed, so 6 feet.
So now we're here. I bet your Lidex score is goddamn 400. No?
1, 2, 3.
Is he gonna pull it again? We're gonna have to sacrifice a mirror, dude. How we feeling?
He's dragging a lot of snow up here.
Yeah, he forgot to leave it behind, huh?
It's deep. I feel like
Can we look at your Lidexes after this and see?
Oh.
Because they're probably riled up.
acceleration,
Right
braking.
See,
Hitting
turn the
something.
wheel straight. Turn the wheel straight.
If you're gonna gun forward, you need to pedal to the metal.
Not here though. Because if your ass end slides, it's going into the pole still.
Yeah, but all of our tracks, you'll follow the tracks.
Yeah. Creep forward and see what it does.
Well, you want me to unhook?
Yeah. Oh, it's so.
I'm hooked up.
I think you need to. I think you need to hammer out of there, or you're going to be right there all night.
I won't. This ain't my truck.
Have Hopper do it.
No, we're gonna.
Oh yeah, you're good on the pole. You're not going to hit it. Pretty sure Matt's off-road would not be proud right now. Do you need it on that side?
Okay, try it.
Oh shit.
What if you got to push on it?
Yeah, we can push on it. Keep going. Go. Oh. Hey, we're unstuck from this spot and back in the original.
Who?
Lance.
Oh shit.
Hello.
Do I need to come pull you guys out or what?
We're working on it, man.
Yeah. This is tough.
So we just got unstuck from the spot that we got unstuck from the first time.
Yeah. My phone's blowing up with suspected collisions.
Oh.
Oh, and the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
the
our-
Lytix is all blown up.
It's the-
Suspected crash. Suspected crash.
Yeah, it says they're yanking on it.
It's the chain.
Yeah, we're just trying to get this thing unstuck.
I heard Travis in the background.
Yeah, laughing.
It'll be fucking forward.
That would be me, yes.
Great.
Don't worry, yeah.
We're gaining ground right now, Lance. But if we do, we'll have to call you. Valdez knows that we're stuck too, so he's on the dial also.
Well, I mean, I'm probably. Where's Valdez?
He was in
Close.
Canaraville looking at something. He just came off the mountain and was going towards Canaraville.
Okay.
So,
If you need help, call. I can come up.
all right, sounds good. Thanks.
Okay. See you guys.
Yep,
See you,
see,
bye.
bye. Fun fucking run.
So just for the record, we did get unstuck. We didn't get it on video, but we got that truck out. It took a little while, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. It was not what we had planned for part of our day. That'll happen sometimes, so thanks for watching.